we will discuss ethics of online journalism. The ethics of online journalism are ultimately no different than the ethics of journalism. The Society of Professional Journalists has articulated a comprehensive policy of journalism ethics that can help online writers. Here are some basic qualities that any good online writer should demonstrate. Say no to plagiarism. You certainly don't want someone else sweeping your effort and presenting it as his or her own. So don't steal others' work. Such theft is plagiarism. It includes not just cutting and pasting whole articles, but copying photos, graphics, videos and putting them on your web page as well. If you want to reference something on another website, link it instead. Disclose, disclose and disclose. Tell your readers how you got your information and what factors influence your decision to publish it. If you have a personal or professional connection to people or groups you are writing about, describe it. Your readers deserve to know what has influenced the way you reported or wrote a story. Don't hide whom you work for or where the money is support your sites come from. If your site run advertising, label the ads as such. Let readers know if you are making money off links elsewhere or your sites as well. No gift or money for coverage. One common way journalists avoid conflict of interest is by refusing gifts or money from sources they cover. Writers who accept gifts and payment from the people or group they cover open themselves up to charges that their work is a paid advertisement for those sources, or at the very least that those writers are too close to these sources to cover them honestly. You can avoid controversy by politely declining such offers. Most major news organizations do allow their writers to accept free admission to events for the purpose of writing a features or review. But most of those organizations bar their writers from junkets, where groups provide free travel and hotel rooms in addition to attendance at their events. Check it out, then tell the truth. Just because someone else said it, this statement does not make it true. Reward your readers with accurate information that stands up to scrutiny from other writers. Check out your information before you print it. If you are writing about someone else, call or email them for a comment about you published. If your subject has a blog link to it, that link will notify the subject that you have written about them and will allow your readers to click through and read the subject side of the story. Be honest. Be honest with your readers and transparent about your work. If people wonder for a moment about your honesty or your motives, you have lost credibility with them. Don't let them do that. Answer those questions even before readers ask. And most important is to never utilize your power of press, your personal gains, or simply annoying someone.